YouTube. Welcome back, guys, and happy Monday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is ZURU Buncho balloons. This is fill and tie hundreds of water balloon in 60 seconds. So this is the total package is 420 water balloons. It is awesome and great for summer. And has 12 of the bunch of this individual color. You got the orange, neon green, pink, neon yellow, blue, and then purple color. So each you get a bunch of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times 2, which is you get total of 12 of the individual colors. Okay, so actually you get double. So it makes hundreds of balloon self-sealing water balloons. Okay, and that's a UPC barcode right there. There's your warning and trademarks. So it says top of the toy of the year. It is considered as a toy. So you connect this to the water hose and then you fill it up. And then after that it has a self-sealing water balloon. And here is a tip. Make sure the bunch of all balloons are rest on the bottom of a container. Fill to this size, 3.4 to 4.5 inches, or 8.7 to 11.4 centimeter in diameter. So this is the actual size of the balloon, I guess, right here. So it says this pack features 12 bunch of balloons bunches. So now you can take your water fight to epic portion with 420 water balloons. Gather your friends, pick your team, and water fight the summer way. So yeah, it is awesome, great toys for the summertime. If you guys gonna have any of the family friends gathering for the water party or whatever. So let's go ahead and cut this open and just check it out. Yeah. Cut it open on both sides. There's one on the top. Right, so this is what it looked like. Okay. So there's like a hole for you to fill in, and there's like a net like, which is a water filter out the grimes from the water, so it won't go into the balloon, I guess. And then it comes with the instruction label right there, instruction guide. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please subscribe if you guys are new to the channel so you guys won't miss out any of the new and latest drop or release or unboxing. Be sure to hit that bell for notification. Please also drop any comments on below, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video guys. I got this at Costco. Alright, peace.